Hello Cubers, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to learn a new type of cube which is barrel cube. So this is also called as octagonal barrel cube. So it is very similar to the 3x3 cube, okay? So yeah, till second layer it is similar and there is some yellow parity and a little bit 2-3 different formulas. So very step by step in simplest method I'm going to explain you this cube. So let's start. So yeah, let's start. So let me explain you the structure of this cube first, okay? So let's understand the structure of this cube. So basically in this cube also we have centers, you can observe, like the 3x3 cube. 3x3, a normal 3x3 cube is also having centers, okay? So this is a center, this is a center. The pieces which are in middle that are called as center. Then as a normal 3x3 has an edge piece, we also have an edge piece. So this is an edge piece, this is an edge piece, this is the edge piece, this is the edge piece, okay? These are the edge pieces, okay? These are the edge pieces. Now only two here, two here, two here and two here. Two edge pieces are there. And here you can observe like the corners, okay, this line, this is also edge piece and the corner, these are the corners 1 2 3 4, and this we can call it as corner and edge both, this piece, okay. Now see this corner in 3x3 cube, corner has 3 colors but this corner has only 2 colors. So it's the structure of the cube is like this, okay. So this is the edge, this is the edge, this is the edge and this is also a edge, and these are the corners, okay. These are the corners. We will imagine the pieces which are in corner side, that we can call it as corner, and the pieces which are in middle or the side, that we can call it as edge piece. But in this edge piece is having only one color, these edge pieces are having 2 colors, and this corner, all the corner pieces are having 2 colors. So okay, so just understanding the structure of the cube is important. Now I'll scramble the cube, okay, and like 3x3 cube, whatever are the simple steps which that we are going to do, okay. I'll just scramble it. The more we scramble, the more simple it is. Yeah, the cube is scrambled. Now let's start. So now the very first step of the cube is yellow center and 4 white edges. In the video I'll show you the image also how in the 3x3 cube that step is done. So first of all we have to search the yellow center and bring 4 white edge pieces, okay. So first I'll search the yellow center and bring 4 white edge pieces. So here I have a white edge piece, okay. So what I will do, I'll bring this white edge piece, I'll try to bring it beside the yellow, okay. So I'll do like this and then I'll take it up. So you can see one piece is already over here, okay. Now I have another piece over here, and if I move it like this, I got the second edge piece with the yellow. The third one is over here. So what I can do is, if it is over here, I have to bring it over here or here. So I can just move it like this, F, and I'll take it up. So yeah, I got 1 2 and 3. Now I'll search the fourth one. I can see the fourth edge piece is over here only. We don't want any corners, we want edge piece, so it is over here only. So what I can do is, I want to bring it over here. So this side only I'll take it over here, and this I'll take it up. So I got this yellow center, 1 2 3 4 white edge pieces. So the first step is done. Now simply what we have to do, we have to match the edge piece. White and red is there, so by moving this bottom 2 color layers, I'll match the red with the red and I'll take it down, F, F. Now I'll face this side. Now this is white and orange, I'll match it, I'll take it at this side, I'll do RR, I'll just take it down, okay. After matching we have to just take it down. If any of the edge piece is not matched, for example this white and green is not matched, so simply I'll do it like this, match it, and then I'll take it down, F, oh sorry, R, R, yeah. So my white plus is done in the bottom, you can observe, okay. Now similar like 3x3 only we have to do, okay. Now I'll insert the corner pieces over here, okay, the 4 corner pieces to do the full white. Now always remember, if the blue is over here, always at the right side of the blue, okay, sorry, at the left side of the blue, you have to insert the edges on that side, okay. Only one here, also the blue will be not there at right side, only one sided colors will be there, as corner is not having 3 colors, right. So blue left will be blue only, orange left will be orange, green left will be green, not the right side, okay. So now what I will do is, so I'll just insert it here and write down. So it is inserted. So what I did, the corner was over here, right up, inserted and write down. Now this is inserted properly. Now I'll check another corner. I want green, white and green corner. Okay, I have a white and green over here. We can see white and green, and I have a white and orange over here. So what I can do, if white and orange is already in the position, I'll just, it is at left side, and see I'm facing orange and the white is at the left side. So from left up side I will do left up, and from left side only I'll just insert it in and I'll do left down. So it is inserted properly, okay. So I'm explaining you very properly. So if you don't know the 3x3 also, you can follow these small steps and complete your cube. Now here I have the white and green. Now see, this time the white is on the top. First time which we inserted the red and orange, at that time white was at either at left side or right side, but this time it is on the top. So if I do right up and try to insert it, it is not inserting properly. So what I will do is I'll do right up, okay, because the piece was at right side. So I'll do U, so side time. So it is not inserting properly. So I'll do U. So it is over here, and again I'll do right down. So this piece is over here. So I'll just take it over here again. Now this is at the correct position when green is here and white is at right side. Okay. When white is at top side, just make sure you move it up and move it 2 times. You bring it on the front at the correct position and take it down. The corner should be at correct position to get inserted in the bottom. So here I am applying the formula, which is R U, okay, right up U and right down. I hope you got this first step. It is very simple. Okay, so simply we have to insert the corners. Okay, let's continue for the second step now. So now this second step is about second layer. Okay, so the white is done properly. You can see green at the left side, green, orange at the left side, orange. So I told you as in the starting. Now here we have to insert the another edge pieces. Okay, so which has only one color. So here the green will be there. Okay, here the red will be there. So now I see a green edge is over here, which can be inserted over here. Okay, so in 3x3 we were having a formula of second layer. 3x3 fourth step, which is called as second layer. The formula of right and left were there. So now I will apply the formula of right side, because this piece needs to get inserted over here, okay, at the right side. So what I will do, I'll just apply the formula of right side, which is U R U I R I U I F I U F. Okay, so where I'm using I, in some cases some children have a habit to use R prime, U prime. So I means that only. Now see, this formula is done. Okay, so you can see this is inserted properly. Now I'll see another piece. Now I have this one, orange. Now orange also needs to be inserted at the right side. Okay, so what I'll do, already we have done the right side formula. So what I'll do, I'll just match it over here and show you once the left side formula. Okay, so now if I move this edge piece over here and match it with the orange, now this piece needs to go over here at the left side. So I'll apply the left side formula of the second layer. So left formula will be also introduced, right? So which is UI Li U L U F UI and Fi. You can observe this is inserted very properly. Okay, now see, this part is done very properly. Let's continue. I have this one red. So yeah, red needs to be over here. So I'll just match the red over here and again apply the right formula, which is U R U I R I U I F I U and F. Okay, so for this cube we are also creating one tubing guide view, which you can find on the website. Okay, so now here I have red edge piece, so I'll just match it. Sorry, the blue edge piece, I'll just match it. Yeah, I just inserted red, so I said red. So the blue is inserted. So now blue is matched. So I'll apply the formula, which is UI, the left formula, Li U L U F U I F I. Now the second layer is very properly done. You can see the second layer in this cube is very properly done. Okay, so now let's continue for the next step. Okay, which is yellow. Okay, now the second layer is done. Now let's do the full yellow. Now to do the full yellow, it's similar like a 3x3 cube, but in full yellow we have some parities. Okay, so that parities also we are going to learn. Only one parity is there. Okay, not parities. So like 3x3 cube, I can see the yellow shape over here. So I'll apply the 3x3 normal 3x3 cube, which is formula F R U, then R I U I and F I. One more time there is a line, so again I'll apply. If the horizontal line is like this, now we can observe in this cube there is one thing we have to follow. Here it is red and orange. So I'll first match this orange with the orange and red with the red, and then I'll apply the formula again, F R U R I U I and then F I. Now you can see I got a yellow plus over here. Okay, now directly I got a yellow plus, but in this yellow formula we do have one parity. That also I will explain you. So as I told you about the parity, I have just applied the formula and brought that case. Okay, so the parity case is like this. After doing the yellow formulas, case 1 and case 2, the yellow plus is not created. You can see the edge piece is flipped over here. So this is a parity case. When the yellow edge piece is flipped, that time you have to apply the formula of parity. So what is the formula is, first the flipped edge piece we have to face. This is this one. So I will just face it and I'll apply the parity formula, which is R right up, then U, then RI, then U prime 2 times. 1 U prime, 2 times I did U prime, okay, which is ui. So then r right up, then again u prime 2 times, ui 2 times, then ri right down, okay, then u, and then after that we have fi, then again ui, and then f, okay, front clockwise. So you can see, so the white is as it is, and I got the yellow box over here. So I'll do it normally, f r u r i u i f i. So I got a line. So again, this is blue and orange this time, okay. So both colors are not same, so it's okay, you can just keep the line like that and apply the formula, f r u r i u i f i, okay. Now the yellow plus is done. Now I'll just try to match this orange with the orange, okay. The orange is matched, but the red is not matched. The blue is also not matched, and the green is also not matched. So all the edges are done, but it is not matched perfectly. So in this cube, we have to match the edges perfectly first. So for that, what I will do is, I will check which two edges are matched, okay, which two edges. Now if I move it, I can see red and green is matched here. The red is matched and the green is matched. So if I got any two edge pieces matched, okay, so what I will do, this is see adjacent, side by side. Red is here and green is very adjacent. What if the plus is done and one color is over here solved and one color is opposite? At that time also there is one case. So first case one we will learn about adjacent, okay. So what I will do is, I'll keep this adjacent case like this, okay. So what I'll keep one matched side at the right side and one matched edge at the back side, and again I'll apply the normal formula, which is r u r i u r u u r i. Now I'll just move it. Now we can observe that this is matched, this is matched, this is matched, and this is matched. All the edges are matched properly, okay. So edges are matched. Now this is the time to do the corner pieces, okay. One more thing I wanted to tell is, I'll just bring that case so it will be simple for you to do. So this is also one case in which, like, one edge is matched over here and one edge is matched over here. So both are matched in opposite way, okay. The first case was adjacent. So for adjacent, I explained you, one you should keep at this side and one should at back side, but this is now opposite. Now at this case also, you have to just keep it like this, opposite like this, a horizontal line like this, and just apply the formula r u r i u r u u r i. Now you can observe, okay, it is not solved yet. Now you will be getting one adjacent case after this, okay, the case which we learned at the first. Just a moment. Okay, I'll just match this green and red. See, so the green is matched and the red is matched, okay. So now I'll keep the green at back side, red at the right side, okay, and then apply the formula r u r i u r u u r i. Now the yellow plus is done. Also the corners are matched, but no, for now the yellow plus is only properly done. Can you see, this edge is matched, this edge is matched, this edge is matched, and this edge is matched. It is time to align the corners now. It is time to align the corners properly now. Now we have to find out the perfect corner. This is not a perfect corner. I can see one perfect corner over here. Orange is a perfect corner. This is also not a perfect corner. This is also not a perfect corner, okay. So only one corner is in the perfect position, okay. So what I will do is, I'll just apply one formula, keeping this corner at my right side, okay. Keeping this corner at my right side, I'll apply the formula to bring all the corners at the perfect position, okay. So the formula is li left up, then u, then r right up, then ui, then l left down, then u, then ri, and then ui. Now we can observe, one more time. See, I have one solved corner here, but this corners are yet still not solved. We can see, right? So again what I will do, again I'll keep it like this over here, the solved corner, and again I'll apply the formula to keep all the corners at the bring all the corners at the perfect position. In some cases what happens, this corner is in perfect position, but it is flipped. In that case also we can face the side, okay. So now let me apply the formula. So again, the li left up, this formula is to bring corners at correct position, okay. Li left up, then u, then r, then ui, then l left down, then u, and then ri. Now we can see ri, and then ui was remaining, right? Ui, okay. Now we can see this is at correct position, this corner is also at correct position, because you can see this 2 is done and the green is only there. Here also you can see this is done, the red is only over here, this is done, the blue is only over here, okay. So now all the corners are at that correct position. Now simply what we have to do, I'll tell you, okay. Now this formula LIURUI, this formula was for bringing corners at correct position. Okay, in some cases, see, if the corner is like this and all these three corners are not at correct position, okay, only this corner is at correct position and it is not matched, in that case also you can apply that formula to bring all the corners at correct position. I'll show that example also. Okay, just now let me solve it. Now what we have to do, this solved corner I'll keep it at back side, then this is perfectly solved. Now at this side I'll keep. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 I have to solve now. So one by one I'll solve now. Now see, there is a formula RD formula we have to apply till and make it aligned. Okay, so this I'm keeping over here at the back side, and now what I will do, simply I'll do RID, okay, RDI. One more time I'll do RID RDI. One more time I'll do RID RDI. Okay, one more time I'll do RID RDI. Now I can see the green is over here. Okay, green is properly matched over here. So what I will do, when the green is solved over here, I'll just flip this. I'll bring the red over here, which is not solved. Again I'll do RID RDI RID RDI RID RDI RID RDI. Now this red is also matched properly. Now the last corner is remaining. I'll just bring it over here by doing UI. Then again RID RDI RID RDI RID RDI RID RDI. So RID RDI is done, and then simply just move the cube like this and your barrel cube is perfectly solved. Okay, so all the cases has been covered. As I told you, aligning only for yellow there are some new steps which you have to do. So the yellow plus and then bringing the corners. For corners I told you, one corner is solved, and if the another corners are not solved, okay, you have to apply that formula LIURUI. Okay, in some case I'll just explain it. If the corner is like this also, okay, and other corners are not at the correct position, and see this and green is over here, in that case also you can apply the formula. It is not compulsory that the corner should be solved totally like this. Any one corner and other three is not solved. For that case I'm telling. So let me bring that case once so you'll understand it properly. So I'll just do it. LIURUI. Okay, so okay, this is not at the correct position, this is not at the correct position, this is not at the correct position, this is at correct position, but this is solved. And if it is also like this, okay, now all three, but we can observe this green, okay, this green is in the green only, so this we can call it as correct position, and keeping this at the right to bring other three corners at correct position, I will apply the formula which is LI left up, U R U I, L left down, then U, then RI right down. Now see, the yellow plus is done. Now all the corners are at, this corner is at correct position, other three is not at correct position again. So again I'll apply, quick I'll do now, LIURUI LURIUI. Okay, now I can see this two are at correct position, this is at also at correct position, only this one corner is not at correct position. This was flipped basically, so I'll just flip it. Okay, yeah, so this was the case. And if the two corners were flipped, what I used to do, I should do RID RD by moving the full cube. Okay, RID RDI, sorry. Yeah, so all the formulas, notes, there is a PDF on the RSCI website. Also this cube you can buy at the best price in the RSCI website. Okay, so in RSCI website there are shop page. In that shop page there are many different types of cubes which you can buy in the best price. So thank you so much for watching, and for this you can find the details, the formulas in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. So I hope you have got this barrel cube. So in the description I have given one link, so that's RSCI Playground. So in RSCI Playground, you can find different activities like playing maths games, practicing Rubik's Cube. Also in the description I'm giving one link to download a structured guide of this cube, in which I have written proper formula, so you can get it from there. And as I told you, from our website you can buy this cube. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.